Hi, my name is Mindaugas. I'm from KamadoSpace, and today I'm going to do the assembly work alone, even though this job is highly recommended to be done by two people. As you see, now all the components are hidden in those 13 boxes that are labeled sequentially. So wish me luck. As you see, it was not very difficult to do the assembly work alone, but if it was family or friends with me, that would be way more fun. Thanks for watching, and thanks for following us, KamadoSpace.